Hello guys, it's your girl A. Marie from A. Marie Lace Wigs. These are two outfits that, these two that I'm in love with. I got actually inspired by Nene Leakes, guys, when I made these outfits. So, guys, this is my green one with the sleeves. And Nene Leakes had on a green one like this, guys. And it was to die for. And this one I made with the long sleeves, a split, and did the little belt tie around. And then I also got like a cape going down, guys. This one I made it last year and I wore it to a wedding. And today what I did, guys, I bedazzled my hat. Because I figured that when it's nice out and sunny and a lot of sun is shining, y'all know these hats and they don't have a trim or anything on it. I thought that would be a cute little touch, like when the sun is just beaming crazy. Like, oh, it's so much sun out, and you can throw on this little hat and give it a great little touch. Sorry about my socks, but these is my socks my sister gave me around my birthday time. So I just wanted to show you guys this outfit. So I love it. It's flowy, it's forgiving, it's sexy. So everything ain't always, you know, I know a lot of people probably say, wow, she wear a lot of the revealing over the top. Like, for me, this is sexy too. A little leg out or whatever. And just, so it fits your curves. And then, like, I love the little cape that I did, guys. So I'm loving this, guys. So I wanted to share this outfit with you guys. So if you guys want to bedazzle y'all hats, so if y'all got these hats and they're a little boring, you guys can bedazzle it. So thank you guys for watching. As always, guys, God bless. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, here are a couple still shots with my favorite dress on. And this hat I just bedazzled. I thought that was a pretty good touch when the sun is beaming and shining to make it more like summer inspired, guys. Grab some fabric fuse and some rhinestones from Joann and go ahead and bedazzle those hats so you can have fun in the sun. Block some of that sunshine off your face. So I just wanted to show you guys the outfit. I love this outfit. I wore it to the wedding and I got a lot of compliments on it. This is my Floyd Rainbow Brite. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, God bless. Happy sewing, guys.